Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to a new video. I hope everybody's doing great. Today in this video, I'm gonna break down and I'm gonna explain some of the most recent trades that I have been taking along with my members in the private live streams. I am currently doing some private live streams during the New York session, and it's been going really nice, fantastic. Members are getting funded, members are making money. We're having a great time together, and I'm providing lots and lots of value. So the way I trade with my members is that obviously we apply and we trade the trading strategies and systems that I teach, okay guys, such as Dual NY5, ATM, okay, just to mention some of them. So I'm gonna show you some of the live footage, okay, from the trading live streams. Sometimes I record some of the trades and the streams that I have with my members. And just to mention guys, these live streams, they are very useful if you're a little bit lost and you want some guidance, you want to trade alongside with really amazing people, okay? I am very blessed guys to meet and have this group of members, amazing traders, amazing people. They're not just like traders, they're great people. And also they are businessmen. They are fantastic entrepreneurs. Okay. They have built their businesses and we help each other inside the group. Okay, guys. So this is fantastic. When you become a member, you learn the strategies that I have created over 17 years experience. They're very systematic, very easy to apply, okay, especially if you're a newbie or intermediate trader or even an advanced trader. You get access to the database, okay, you learn all the strategies and you trade with us too. All right, guys, so let's do a little breakdown, okay? We are in NASDAQ 50-minute chart or NQ. If you trade futures, okay, it's NQ, the symbol, okay? So as you can see, guys, price was slightly creating higher highs, okay? As you can see, we are having this positive bullish uptrend, okay? Now, as you can see, price was squeezing, okay? It was creating some sort of a little triangle, okay? So before the market opened, we was expecting price to break out either way. Okay, now remember guys, you gotta keep it very simple. Okay, let me show you some of the footage, okay, where I was explaining and I was saying what I was expecting for the market to do, which is exactly what happened. Okay guys, so here as you can see, I have my levels marked down, okay, and I am expecting and I'm explaining that if we have that candle closing above that level, we might see price actually pushing to the next level, okay? And as you can see to the left, we have some clean traffic, okay? That was happening in real time, okay? Okay guys, so basically what happened was that market opened, okay, as you can see, and we finally got our candle. That's the one that I was explaining in the live stream. Okay, so as you can see to the left, we have this clean traffic, and I was expecting price to at least reach that high. Okay, we have this level, and I wanted to see some sort of a break retest. Let me take my marker. Okay, we have this level. Okay, I was expecting price to create or give us some sort of a confirmation to push to the upside. Okay, so that's exactly what happened. And now let me show you at the moment that I entered the trade in front of everyone, okay, because I always show my trades. Here you can see guys, here you can see price is closing, okay, and now I am entering my trade right there. Okay, so here that's where we took our long entries. I entered a little earlier, okay, and the best take profit was around this area, okay, which was around 70 points. So we are inside the trade, okay, and all you have to do is just wait, trust the system, trust everything, okay, and that's it. Just wait for your profits. Everything that I was explaining, okay, it made the break, retest, everything was aligned, it was perfect, okay? And let me just show you what was going on. At this point, I trailed my stop loss, remember, below this candlestick low, and obviously price reached to its final target. Now, something amazing happened, guys, because it just ran for the rest of the session. Like, it was extremely bullish, as you can see, guys. For the rest of the session, it just kept pushing and pushing to the upside. Obviously, I didn't took the whole movement. 20 points is all you need. Usually I take 20 points, okay? But obviously you can definitely grab amazing moves. Just to show you guys how many points this trade that we took together, it was around 200 points, okay? And as you can see, the risk reward, it was huge. It was 1 to 14, which is absolutely extraordinary huge. Okay, guys, these are the type of trades that we take every morning together. Okay, so if you want to join, I'm gonna leave the link below in the description. Okay, and what amazes me is how fast my members, okay, they learn very fast. So that's amazing. Okay, and sometimes they call out really good setups, really good trades. Okay, dual NY5, primarily we focus on dual NY5, which is one of my favorite strategies, and also ATM is very beginner friendly, and recently it's been giving pretty decent moves. Okay, guys, so even if you just master and focus in one of these two strategies, you're gonna do really well, guys. Like, as I said before, let me show you some of the members. They've been getting funded. They are making consistent money. Okay, guys, so this is really nice, and I am proud of all of my members. They're doing a fantastic job. So before we move on, okay, just to show you, this is one of the websites. Okay, so when you join, you click here and you're gonna have access to the database. In here, you have all of the strategies. Money printer, you've seen the previous videos. That's an exclusive indicator that I created. Also, dual NY5, here you go. This is the one that we are trading during the live streams together. Really nice. It has a very huge win rate, and also ATM. ATM is very simple, very mechanical, and you're gonna get access to this one and the other strategies. Okay, guys? And also, just to mention, you guys, that includes private coaching with me. Okay, guys, so whenever you need assistance, you can request a private Zoom call with me. Okay, so if you're feeling stuck or whatever, you can have private Zoom calls. Okay, and also I have the whole package. It includes the private coaching, the live trading, okay, and obviously the lifetime access to the course, to the database. And also, if you just want to join us for the live trading sessions, this is the option. And if you want to get the Money Printer 2.0 indicator and strategy, this is it. Okay, below in the description, okay, you're gonna find the links to join. Now, let me show you guys, because sometimes I also trade US30. US30, it's been moving fantastic. It gives you really nice moves. Okay, now when you see price just getting stuck and being choppy, I always advise to my members, like, it's better to skip 1 or 2 days, so nothing will happen. It's better to trade less and have more profits. Okay, less trades, more profits, than more trades and less profits. Okay, guys, so quality over quantity, remember that. Just to give you a little insight to US30, okay, in case you trade US30, as you can see here, we had the low of the day, and we had this huge, beautiful drop. Okay, it was fantastic, beautiful. Unfortunately, I missed this move down because we were analyzing Nasdaq at that moment. But I called out, okay, that in order to take longs, okay, because if you miss the move, you missed it. Okay, never chase a trade. We had the low of the day, and we had a pretty nice liquidity grab, reversal, fake out, whatever you want to call it, and it made a double bottom. Okay, so that's exactly what I was explaining also during the live streams. Okay, that you had to wait for a change of structure, okay, such as a double bottom, which in this case happened pretty nicely. Okay, so after that, you were safe to take your longs. Okay, you could place your stops below, and you can reach like this high, okay? Or even if you just take like 20 points, just taking a couple of pips or points, okay, like 15, 10 points, even 20 points, okay, or 30 points, you're gonna be amazing. You're gonna have fantastic results, okay? Now, let me just show you one of the trades that I took this week so far. Okay, guys, so this happened on Tuesday, and I called this really amazing trade in US 30. So as you can see, I'm gonna go back for a little bit just to show you guys. As I said, everything happens live. As you can see previously, we were trending up, okay? I marked down my levels, this high, this little support down right here, and this low, okay, guys? So we had this beautiful candle closing above, okay, and that's where I took my long position, okay? I entered a little bit earlier, okay, and my stops were kept below that low, and I took home about 30 points, okay? So that's where I took my position, my entries, and as you can see, it moved for 60 points, okay? So you could have taken 60 points in this trade, which was a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio. And after that, it started to reverse, okay, which is completely normal. And also, I was explaining in the live streams that it broke that structure, okay? So in lower time frames, I found another entry. So I called this other position, okay, this other setup, which worked. I didn't took it because I already had taken these buys, okay, and I won. So usually when I win and take one successful trade, usually I just call it a day, okay? But in case you didn't took a trade, I will let you know if I see something nice, okay? So in this case, I saw this really nice setup happening, okay? And that's where I would take my trade. And obviously it took profit like really nice, really quick. It was a 45 point in matter of minutes, okay? And after that, guys, as you can see, it was doing this sort of like a break retest, okay, right here, and it just continued dropping, okay? So even if let me just show you how you could have managed this trade, okay? Because I rarely leave some runners, I'm gonna be honest with you, but you can do it. Like most of the trades that I take, they run for many points, such as this one and the other one in NASDAQ, as you can see. So this trade ran for 150 points, okay? So that was really nice for a total of, my stop loss was a little tighter around here, there, okay? And it ran for 1 to 6, okay? After that, it just like went past beyond the low of the day, okay? And that was another fantastic trade that we took. Also, guys, I want to invite you to my free Telegram, okay? I'm gonna leave the link for you to join below in the description. Also, in here, you're gonna find the trades that I took, okay? Here's the trade that I took. Sometimes I also share some of the setups from Money Printer. As you can see, Money Printer is an indicator. As you can see, in my YouTube channel, I have some other videos, okay? This is an indicator that I made, and it show you these beautiful entries, okay? You just follow the momentum. As you can see, that was the trade that we took. Here it gave 3 nice possibilities. That was in US 30, okay? It was actually this day that I was explaining. Some in gold. This is in Forex, GBP, JPY. In case you trade Forex, it can also give you really nice opportunities, okay? This is the other trade that I said, okay, that I just explained, and many other amazing trades that I took in the live streams. Everything I share in this is free, okay? So if you want to join, I give the announcements, everything, okay, guys? So basically that's it for this video, and I hope you learn a lot. And I'm very excited, and I hope to see you inside the members area. Take care.